many shad. God, holy crap, I got so many shad. Oh, I got a fish. Holy crap, one whacked it. Yes, guys, I got one. Me and my brother out here at the lake house, and today, well, my brother caught a few shad in the cast net, and so we have them in here, and today I'm going to be attempting to catch some bass on some live shad that we caught right here. So we're just using a cast net to catch these bad boys. Some pretty small little guys, as you can see, but we're just going to hook them through the top jaw, right? So then they can breathe when they're swimming, and then we'll hook them like this, like that. And then what I'll do is we'll just flip it out over here and let him free swim. Okay, well, he's not doing so hot, but we'll just let him sit there, I guess. And if my line takes off, then I know I have something. Hopefully we can catch some more shad. Oh, there's my shad. Okay, he's swimming now. Maybe we'll see if Bess is like insanely munch him. We got size 6 owner mosquito hook, and yeah, we're just letting them swim along, and hopefully we can catch some big bass on some live shad. Let's see it. Okay, I'm gonna go try with the live shad over here. He's probably not even alive anymore, but... Oh, do I have something? No, he got me in the lilies. He's still alive for the most part. No munch marks, I guess. Okay, I'm gonna throw him. Dude, the visibility is pretty good for having rain over the weekend, or on like a couple of days ago. Water clarity's pretty good. Let's see. Oh, there's the shad. He's swimming. He's like, a bass should come up and just wreck him. I'm just gonna do a slow style retrieve with him. Holy crap. Boat is gone now. Okay, we're throwing it out there. Okay, we'll see if we get any bites. On the live shad! Got a bass on the live shad! Holy crap! Oh my gosh, okay, it popped off the hook. Holy crap! What the heck? No way! I got a bass on the live shad, guys.
He's bleeding.
No, he's not. He's been injured. In a minute, Tosh, chill. Look at that, guys. On the live shad, just dropped it down and my line just hook off. See you later, buddy. Oh, sorry. I caught a fish using the live shad just now. Here it is, the shad. And my brother's gonna be trying to catch some more with the cast net. Some more live shad, but maybe for me. For himself, probably. So what I'm gonna do, just throw it right there. Hopefully it swims away, swims down, and the line just heightened up. That was insane. Let's see. Gave me some bread that I'm gonna use for chum. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab it and just throw it right around here. I guess it's all frozen, but I can just throw it like this and see if I can get the shad to start eating. It will be really rare if this actually works, but some of it like sinks down into the water. It should get them to start eating, just like the dust and everything. Yeah, it's starting to sink down. So once it starts sinking down, the shad should start eating. Like right there in front of me. Okay, let's try to get some. Let's try to get some more shads. Okay, the ducks are coming over. The coots, I mean. Okay, that should be a good cast. I'm gonna pull it in quick. It's not deep. Okay. Can't. Frick! Nothing. Dang it. Okay. Maybe they moved in. Where are they? Let's see. Okay. Throw it back out. Okay. Thanks. Okay. Alright. Pull it in quick. Pull it in quick. Oh, got a shad. Got a shad. Got a few shad. God! Holy crap! I got so many shad! I got so many shad! I got. Oh my. There's a giant shad. I got bait. Bait. No, just a little less. Oh my gosh, I had to butcher a shad's head. Holy crap, that was sketchy. Okay. Well, at least I got like 4 now. That was so sketchy. I butchered that shad. Okay. That's all I have to say about that right there. Okay. What the actual heck? Oh my gosh. Ew. 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 Oh my gosh. I'm gonna throw up. That was nasty. Let's keep going. There could be some more down there. Having a light drag so then we can really not work that fish. And then we have my little bait container here. So we will grab my shad if he doesn't escape while I'm doing this. Okay, there he is. Okay, there he is. Oh, okay, I just like pinned him up against the wall, so he's probably dead. But he's not, so that's good. Okay, so right here we have a perfect size shad for any bass to munch. So what we'll do is we'll grab him, hook him through the side of the nose so he can swim around really well. And we're gonna go on to his dock because I haven't been cast netting much over there, and see if we can get any fish over there. Let's just throw him. First we're gonna start off throwing him right over here, seeing if we can get any fish. Let's do it. And what happened was I just had him swimming around and my line just took off, just like that. Yeah, it took off like that. Okay. Cracking some jacks, huh? Oh, I got a fish. Holy crap. One whacked it. Yes. Guys, I got one. I knew I had one. On the shad. It's the same fish, I think. Yeah. Look at that little guy. He's tiny on the live shad. My shad's still over there. So let's go. He's giant. Look at that little guy. Got a nice little decent one. Got this nice little guy. Dinker, but still a good fish right there. Look at them. These little I saw him come up and hit it. Oh, I do have pliers. That's good. Since I won't have to. Okay, come on. Calm down, buddy. Calm down. Okay, I'm not gonna grab you. Okay. I know you swallowed it because I didn't know you freaking had it in your mouth. Okay. I have to cut it. Okay, there we go. Look at that fish, guys. Nice little dinker. We gotta get him back though before he dies. Let's revive him. Whoa, he shot off so much. Wow, guys. Thank you.